Hello guys, today we will discuss an interesting topic, books or movies, which is more interesting. We'll compare book with film adaptation, and this time we choose Indonesian films that are adapted from books. You must be familiar with some of the title that we will discuss.
Yeah, we will try to answer the big question by choosing a book that has been made into a film and discussing the difference between the two. So we will choose first. I think I will go first. My course, Val on Laskar Pelangi is a very famous book, and the film is no less iconic.
In my opinion, Laskar Pelangi is a book that has extraordinary depth in describing the struggle of children in the Belitung forward to get an education, even though they are faced with many limitations. This book is also rich with different and meaningful characters. However, in the film, there are several aspects that are cut, especially regarding the background of the character. I think it is less explored.
Yes, I agree. This book gives a lot of space to dig deeper in the main character and their background. We can feel her emotion more intense challenge. In the film, although the visuals are very stunning, some of the internal conflict and detailed storytelling in the book are missing. It feels a bit fresh, where in the book we can be more humorous.
That's right. The film is indeed very strong in terms of visual, especially the scene that depict the natural beauty of Belitung and the school atmosphere. But in terms of emotional attachment to the character, I think it's stronger in the book, especially when Ika writes letters to Aling in the book. It makes you really emotional.
Lihat deh tuh cowok, blin banget kan, lihat deh gayanya tuh. Kamu tuh kalau lagi kebingungan tuh lebih nyenengin ya.
Okay, now I just Ada Apa Dengan Cinta. This film became a big phenomenon in Indonesia, and the book also has an extraordinary effort. But in the book, there are many things that are different and more detailed about the relationship between Cinta and Rangga, as well as their emotional process. It's why we read Cinta talk directly, and that's make us understand better why she behaves the way she does.
Yes, in the film, we focus more on their relationship that develops quickly, although the film has strong chemistry between the actors. If we read the books, we can better understand the dilemma and inner conflict experienced by Cinta, especially the part where Cinta is confused between best friends and love that is more flat in the book.
So, in your opinion, the book provide more depth, especially in the term of depicting Cinta's feeling that cannot be fully depicted in the film.
That's right. The book provides more space for the character to deliver and build the story. The film is still enjoy to watch, especially the soundtrack is very memorable. But for those who want to dive into the inner life of the character, the book is superior. We can now watch inside the head, not just see her expression.
Bukan kau kecup keningnya.
Kamu tidak akan pernah bisa menyatukan mereka. Satu istri aja belum tentu merasa adil, apalagi dua, Ri.
Ikhlas, Aisyah. Aku tidak ikhlas. If I were to choose Ayat-Ayat Cinta, this book has a lot of depth in the complex aspect of morality, religion, and love. When read, we really feel Fahri's feeling and struggle in living a life full of challenges. Many values are conveyed in a subtle but in a personal way.
In the film, although there are many emotional scenes, some very deep friends about Fahri inner conflict seems to become out. In the book, we can reflect longer on the life choice made by the character, even about how Fahri restoring himself and maintain his prevalence in the life that really in the book.
That's right. The film emphasizes more on the visual drama and romantic show effects, while in the book, the spiritual drama effects are explored more. The book gives more space for the reader understanding of the character. He understands why Fahri behaved the way he does. Not just because of the Lord, but because of the people.
So guys, after we discussed, we can conclude that books and films have their respective adventures. Films provide stunning visualization and a more direct experience, while books give us depth to the story and space to explore emotion and thoughts of their characters.
Agreed. So film are indeed more dynamic and accessible to many people, but books often give it a more personal and moving experience. With books, we can pause, think, turn the page, and that can be done in film. In my opinion, book has their place. Sometimes I prefer reading books because I can get deeper inside. But I need facts and visual entertainment. Movies can be the right choice. But what is clear is if you can enjoy book.
Okay guys, that's all from us. Thank you for watching and see ya!
Bye-bye!